The U.S. Army's successful launch of the Altius 700 drone from a Black Hawk helicopter. On December 3rd at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, the U.S. Army's Uncrewed Aircraft Systems Project Management Office, in collaboration with the U.S. Special Operations Command, reached a groundbreaking milestone with the inaugural flight demonstration of the air-launched, tube-integrated unmanned system, Altius 700. This landmark event utilized a Black Hawk helicopter as the launch platform, signifying a pivotal moment in the Launched Effects program, as highlighted by the Army's project manager for unmanned aircraft systems. This demonstration serves as a critical risk mitigation exercise for our upcoming Altius 700 test flights. It is aligned with the Launched Effects initiative, providing indispensable capabilities to the Army. The Altius 700 system strictly adheres to the size, weight, and power requirements outlined in the approved May 2020 Launched Effects Abbreviated Capabilities Development document. The Launched Effects Initiative, meticulously designed to foster collaboration between crewed and uncrewed systems, promises enhanced capabilities for identifying, locating, and reporting threats in contested environments. This transformative technology empowers our commanders with precise targeting abilities during large-scale combat operations. The two-flight demonstration provided invaluable data, affirming the Altius 700's performance across operational phases, from launch to flight, landing, and recovery. These insights will play a pivotal role in refining the system's design and operational protocols, preparing for the upcoming test flights. Subsequent tests are scheduled, culminating in a final operational demonstration by the end of fiscal year 2024, paving the way for a rapid fielding decision in 2025. A remarkable achievement as the U.S. Army continues to push the boundaries of technological innovation. Stay tuned for further updates on this groundbreaking project.